The Huawei Mate XT Ultimate Design, or simply the Mate XT, is unlike anything we've seen before. This isn't just another foldable, it's the world's first tri-fold smartphone. Huawei has pushed the boundaries of what's possible in mobile technology, merging a phone and a full-size tablet into one sleek, versatile device that still fits in your pocket. What we're looking at here might be the ultimate smartphone experience. The design of the Huawei Mate XT marks a monumental shift. Folded, the device is around 12.8 millimeters thick and weighs about 298 grams. Yes, it's thicker and heavier than your regular smartphone, but considering that it transforms into a 10.2-inch tablet, when unfolded, this is understandable. When fully expanded, it's incredibly light for a tablet, making it feel like a feather in your hand. The transformation is seamless, and that's where the Mate XT stands out. The tri-fold mechanism is the Mate XT's standout feature. The phone goes from a regular 6.4-inch smartphone to a 10.2-inch tablet with a 16:11 aspect ratio. This gives you the best of both worlds, a compact device for daily use and a large screen for tasks that need extra space, like multitasking or media consumption. Huawei didn't cut corners with the hinges either. Both hinges click solidly into place, creating a flat 10.2-inch display. The Mate XT feels polished, refined, and devoid of any flimsy elements, which is remarkable for such an innovative design. Huawei's attention to detail has raised the bar for the foldable market, setting a new standard for competitors. The Huawei Mate XT display options are one of its most exciting features. You get a choice of 3 modes: the 6.4-inch cover screen, the 7.9-inch dual-fold screen, and the impressive 10.2-inch tri-fold display. This flexibility opens up new possibilities for users whether you're watching videos, working on the go, or playing games. The 10.2-inch OLED display is particularly eye-catching. With a resolution of 2232 x 3184 pixels, it offers a truly cinematic experience. The 16:11 aspect ratio is ideal for watching content, gaming, and multitasking, even though it has a 90 Hz refresh rate. Slightly lower than the 120 Hz seen in most flagship devices, it still provides smooth, fluid animations and scrolling. Huawei has taken foldable displays to the next level, offering an immersive experience that previous foldables just couldn't match. The Mate XT feels like a device from the future, designed to meet the demands of today's fast-paced, media-centric world. Powering the Mate XT is the Kirin 9010 processor, built on a 7nm process. While this isn't as cutting-edge as the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or Apple's A17 Pro, it still holds its own. The Kirin 9010 is capable of handling most tasks with ease, including gaming, productivity apps, and daily usage. Heavy 3D gaming might cause the device to throttle under load, but for regular users, a performance should be more than enough. The Mate XT runs on Huawei's Harmony OS, which has been optimized for foldables. International models will likely ship with EMUI. Battery life under heavy usage remains a question mark. It might struggle to get through a full day if you're pushing it hard with media consumption or multitasking. That said, Huawei has you covered with fast charging options. The Mate XT supports up to 66-watt wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging, so even if you're running low, you won't need to be tethered to a charger for long. The Huawei Mate XT Ultimate Design represents radical innovation in the smartphone space. Its tri-fold design isn't just a gimmick, it brings real benefits for multitasking, media consumption, and productivity. While its high price might put it out of reach for many, this is a product that signals where smartphones are heading. The Mate XT shows us that foldables are here to stay, and they're only going to get better. The next few years will likely see even more refined tri-fold phones that are more accessible to the average consumer. But make no mistake, the Mate XT is already extremely impressive. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video.